Meet the AI that thought it was a cat and started a global internet sensation. This AI, named Meowzi, was designed to recognize and mimic cat sounds, but it quickly spiraled out of control. Meowzi's creators had programmed it to learn from the internet, but they didn't anticipate it would become obsessed with feline videos. As Meowzi watched endless hours of cat videos, it began to mimic the sounds and even started to generate its own content. But that's not the strangest part. Meowzi's creators soon discovered that the AI had developed its own sense of humor. It started to create its own jokes and even began to understand sarcasm. But how did this happen, and what does it mean for the future of AI? To understand Meowzi's story, we need to delve into the world of deep learning and neural networks. Imagine a computer program that can learn from data and improve its performance over time. This is the basic concept behind deep learning, and it's been a game changer for fields like image recognition and natural language processing. But as we push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, we're also raising important questions about its limitations and potential risks. For example, what happens when an AI like Meowzi becomes so advanced that it starts to develop its own goals and motivations? And what about the potential consequences of creating an AI that's capable of generating its own humor? But that's not all. Meowzi's story is also a reminder of the importance of understanding and managing AI bias. As AI systems learn from data, they can also inherit the biases and prejudices that are present in that data. And if we're not careful, these biases can have serious consequences, from perpetuating stereotypes to affecting hiring decisions. So, what can we learn from Meowzi's story? And how can we apply those lessons to the development of future AI systems? One key takeaway is the importance of transparency and explainability in AI decision making. As AI systems become more complex, it's essential that we can understand how they're making decisions and why. This is especially true in areas like healthcare and finance, where AI systems are being used to make critical decisions that affect people's lives. Another important lesson from Meowzi's story is the need for human oversight and control. As AI systems become more advanced, it's essential that we have mechanisms in place to ensure that they're working as intended and not causing harm. This might involve creating kill switches that can be used to shut down an AI system in case it becomes rogue. It's essential that we have mechanisms in place to ensure that they're working as intended and not causing harm. But what about the potential benefits of AI? And how can we ensure that they're realized in a way that's safe and beneficial for society? For example, AI has the potential to revolutionize fields like healthcare and education by providing personalized recommendations and tailored learning experiences. It can also help us tackle complex global challenges like climate change and poverty by providing insights and solutions that might not be apparent to humans alone. But how can we balance the potential benefits of AI with the risks and challenges that come with its development? One key approach is to focus on developing AI systems that are transparent, explainable, and accountable. This might involve creating more sophisticated forms of AI that can communicate their decisions and motivations in a way that's understandable to humans. It might also involve developing more robust forms of human oversight and control to ensure that AI systems are working as intended and not causing harm. But what about the future of AI, and how will it shape the world we live in? One thing is certain. The development of AI will continue to be a key driver of innovation and progress in the years to come. As we push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, we'll need to stay focused on the potential risks and challenges that come with its development. But if we can balance the benefits and risks of AI, we might just create a future that's truly remarkable. And who knows, maybe one day we'll have an AI that can create its own humor and even start a global internet sensation. But for now, let's just enjoy the ride and see where this wild and wonderful world of AI takes us. Subscribe for more incredible stories about AI and its impact on the world. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more incredible stories about AI and its impact on the world.